Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com.
Hello, in this tutorial how to manage iRedmail group. This tutorial is part 3, how to show mail group. I have already created 2 video, one for introduction and 2 for create mail group using this form, and this is my third video, show created mail group. Now I am click show created mail group. This is query from MySQL and PHP MySQL. Step 1, create SQL query for show mail group. Step 2, HTML design file name show mail group.php, and step 3, create PHP MySQL query for show mail group. MySQL terminal command, MySQL option U, root option P, use vmail, then select a star from alias. This is for query, main query, and now I am showing show mail group.php file for execute query. This is for header section, this is by default, and this is my query. Must be include your DB connection, PHP file, and then result MySQL query connection, select a star from alias, that means group, and this is title name, group name, and domain name, and this is for first query from MySQL, get address and domain name. Address, that means alias name, and domain name, this is showing from table. This is my query, group name and domain name. This is domain name and this is group name. Now I am create and another group, test1, test2, test2. This is created group test2, then show, this is test2, this is test3, show mail group, this is test3. So next video for how to add member into this group.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.